Welcome guys in my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you on how to wire these relays here. This relay here are double pole, double throw, and our purpose here is this load for the compressor must be in the normally open, while this one is in the normally closed. Now the techniques I'm going to show to you guys is just in case that the label here is being erased, so I'm going to use the multi tester here, and for example this one is still readable, but we're going to disregard this because of this one. Okay, so all of the coil is the 220, so all you have to do is just look for the coil. Usually coil is on top. Just look for the coil. Look at the reading here. These two here is the coil, A1, A2 on top. Now we're going to look for the normally close there. Therefore this two terminal here is the incoming voltage, while this one is the output voltage, and this is the normally close, and this is the normally open. Now we're going to wire this. Okay, as I said a while ago, the normally close is for the drain pan heater, while the normally open is for the compressor. For commercial refrigerator, this is the best wiring diagram for drain pan heater. The manufacturer run this 24/7. Now at the moment guys, I'm going to use switch, but if you have a digital control, use digital control, and this is for the compressor. Okay, wire first the AC input together with the switch here. And the neutral there. As easy as that guys. Now it's time to plug into AC source, and I'm gonna show you that my load for the normally close is activate, and this is our load for the normally close by drain pan. Okay, let's turn on. Right now the heater is engaged. The heater, take a look, take a look. The heater off, and the compressor is running. So that's the purpose of the dual pull, dual throw. See, I turn off, and the load for the normally close is engaged. So that's how you're going to wire the Omron relay. Now let's proceed here guys. As I said a while ago, this is being erased, so we cannot trace the normally closed, normally open, as well as the in coil. Now let's take a look again. Same procedure apply. Usually guys, the coil is on top, okay, on top. And usually the lower here is the voltage in and voltage out. Okay, let's try. Look at the multimeter. If it has reading here, therefore this is our coil. And take a look here, no reading, no reading, right? So this is our holding coil here. And take a look. I'm going to look where is the normally open. It has a reading, therefore this one on top is the normally closed, below is normally open. So my normally closed should be on top. So we're going to wire that one. My compressor is on top, but here let's put it down, okay, below, because the normally open is here, unlike with the Omron. The Omron is an opposite. Same function, guys. I want my drain pan heater not to run 24/7, so this is the best way to wire the drain pan heater. Drain pan heater should be on the normally close. Let's put it here. So the switch and the AC source. There. This is very easy, guys, but the techniques I show you is the easiest way. You don't need a wiring diagram, guys. It's very easy. Okay, neutral goes also to the coil, while the incoming voltage is low, and I just use a switch here, and it's being wired to the A1 of the coil. The load for the normally close. Let's power on. See, the heater is already running, so I'm going to turn this on, and the heater will turn off and the compressor will start. There is it. So as easy as that, guys. And do you still need to wire this one? Same procedure, guys. Okay, I just show you, but I'm not going to wire this one, but I'm gonna show you on how to find the coil by using multimeter or lamp meter. Okay, there. As I have said a while ago, holding coil usually on top, so we have two on top here, 1 and 2. So we're gonna find out where is the coil of this relay. Okay, we have a reading here, therefore this is our holding coil. So, and next we're going to find where is the normally close. This incoming voltage here is, this is the output. Okay, there is it. So normally close is here, and These two here is still normally open, and let's try that. See, no reading, no reading. So I'm not going to wire it anymore. I just show you on how to find the holding coil. Thanks for watching. God bless.